Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to hide all of your photos on Facebook at once. Which means if you want to hide your photos from your friends or anyone in public, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Facebook, and here if you want to hide your photos, then we can simply get the help from help center, and here we can search for hide photos, and if we check whether this works or not. For example, if we look for hide photos here and search that help, then here they are saying that change your photo album settings, which means if you want to hide any of your album on Facebook, then how you gonna do that? For this, you have to simply click on three lines. After that, you have to click on photos, and after that, in the top right, you have to click on album, and after that, you have to click on change the privacy. After that, you have to simply click on three dots, and you can simply set the privacy to friends or only me. In this way, you can simply hide your photos on Facebook. Now we'll try to test that whether it works or not. So simply we are going to click on our profile, and here what we have to do, you have to simply go back, and you have to simply again three lines here, and you have to click on profile, and here you have to click on three dots, but there is no option available for that. So you have to scroll it down, and you have to go to photos, and if you find the photos here, as you can see, there is no option available that you can simply hide any of your photos, but there is a option available that you can simply hide any random photo of you, which means if you want to simply hide any of your photo, then you can simply click on three dots, and here you can find the option. But if you want to simply hide any of your photo, then you can simply click on three dots, and that option will be available. In this way, you can simply hide one of your photos, but if you want to hide all of your photos at once, previously this option was available, now it is missing. So there is no option available that you can simply hide all of your photos at once, but there is option available that you can simply lock your Facebook profile, which means no one except your friends will be able to see your Facebook profile, which means photos or other things. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.